I was sent this hair remover in exchange for this video. So this says it's for facial or body hair. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're gonna be trying this out. So here's a look at what is inside. We have these 18 karat gold plated heads with a nice rounded head too. So it just glides nice and smooth over your skin and not like tug or do anything like that to it. So we have the charging cable right here. We have those 4 heads. We have the device right here, and then we have this little carrying pouch. So this is almost the size of a lipstick, so sleek, slim, and attractive looking. So the charging cable goes in here at the end. You take the cap off, and then this is where the blades are and all of that protected underneath here. And then this is the on and off button. You can hear, and you can see the light actually turns on right here too. So what I love about this is you don't have to worry about nicking yourself. It is very safe and easy to use all around your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my arm right now and try it out. So yes, it's definitely working, and there's no pinching or pulling or anything like that. Just nice and comfortable. So yeah, I could totally see how you could use this on your face. And it's small, so you can get in around your area and the mustache area, wherever you would need to get. That is just so awesome. I love the fact that this is so small and you can take this with you pretty much anywhere.